Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Maria Connie Elberan, 25 years old. I am single and I don't have a live-in partner. I have two kids. They are all boys. The eldest one is 5 years old and the youngest one is 3 years old. I graduated at Negros Oriental State University, Shatan Campus with a bachelor's degree of elementary education, and I am a professional licensed teacher.
How many brother and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister, and I am the eldest one.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I've served one couple with one kids, and I do all the household chores like cleaning, marketing, ironing the clothes, washing, and taking care of the kid.
How old is the kid when you
One-
work there in your employer?
1 year old.
So do you also have a teaching experience?
I don't have, but I do tutorial.
Okay, so usually, how old is the one you do? Did you want to teach, or in the previous, did you teaching toddlers?
No,
But are you willing to teach them?
of course I am willing to teach them.
Okay, do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Of course, because I have a baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper first. If it is wet, then I will change. Then I will hold the baby and sing a nursery song.
Okay, can you sing a song for the baby?
Of course. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Up and down and shake, shake, shake.
Okay, thank you. If the baby or children is very naughty, what will you do?
I will encourage the baby to watch or sing a song for the nursery, and I will have more patience today.
But in Hong Kong, sometimes employer don't want them to watch them use a cell phone or TV. So how can you find any way?
I will let them play.
Do you have any long patience for them?
Of course, I have.
Do you want them to do with you reading book stories?
Of course, I will let them read stories and play with them.
Okay. If ever you want to come to Hong Kong, so you're a first timer, right?
Yes, I understand.
So what will you do if to avoid homesick?
I will treat my employer as my own family. I will pray to God, and I will tell myself that I need money for my family's needs.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
My sister and my parents.
Do you have any allergy?
No, I don't have.
So do you eat everything?
Of course, I.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared
If
because
that-
I have dogs and cats in our house.
Okay, if the baby or children is got sick, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, and I will let the baby to take the medication, and I will tell their parents to have a checkup to the doctor.
Yeah, okay. But before you give the medication, you will let the parents know, and then of course need the doctor prescription, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Do you love cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
So can you rate yourself in cooking? Is a good or excellent?
Excellent.
Okay. So if ever the employer have a car in their house, are you willing to do the car washing without extra pay?
Of course, I am.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, yes,
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
yes, yes.
You have tattoo in your body?
I don't have tattoo.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, please hire me because I am trustworthy, I am patient, and I am hardworking, and I will do my duties and responsibilities as your house helper. And I am looking forward to have a positive feedback.
How long you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer is okay with me and he or she is willing to renew my contract.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.